Hey everyone, on this lesson we are going to study the noise elimination. This is one of the applications of the morphological image processing. So the idea is that given an image, a grade level image, how can we remove the noise from this image? As we can see, we have here several lines that are very noisy. We have white noise and we also have black noise. So how can I remove the noise from this image? Well, to do this, we need to apply the concepts learned on this section. We are now in a MATLAB environment. First of all, let's read this image. The name of this image is Passerine, so you can download this image on the downloadable documents of this lesson. So let's read this image with the imread function. The name of this image is passerine.tif, and let's display this image, and let's title this to be the original image that we have, right? So let's run this, and as we can see here, we have the same image of this bird standing and the noise. We have several noise, the black noise and also the white lines noise. So first of all, let's remove the white noise, and remember that the operation that allows us to remove the white noise is the opening operation. This is an operation that we studied on previous lessons. So to apply an opening operation, we need the original image and we also need the structuring element. So here let's define the structuring element with the strel function. This is a function, a predefined function that allows us to create a new structuring element. So let's create a new structuring element with the shape of a disk. And let's, for instance, consider this radius to be 1. So here we have a disk shape structuring element with radius equal to 1. So with this, we can now apply the opening operation. Let's define the new image, OP, for instance, with the ImOpen, and now we just use here the original image and the structuring element. So with this, we apply the opening operation. The opening allows us to remove the white structures. So now in a new figure, let's display this new image and let's title this remove of white noise, or basically white noise remove. Okay, so now let's run this and see what image we have. So as we can see here, if we compare the original image and this new image, which is the open image, we see that in the original image we had both noises, the black and white, and now we only have the black noise. That's because the opening operation removes all this white noise. Why? Well, keep in mind that this noise on white that we have are basically lines, and since we're using here a structuring element in a format of a disk, this is an oath radius to remove all this noise here that we have on white, right? So what if we want to remove only the black noise and just keep the white noise? Well, we can just apply a close operation. So let's define the close operation in close of the original image and the structuring element. So in this case, if we plot this new image, CL, okay, this is the black noise remove. So now if we plot this, let's run, we get this resulting image, which is the same as the original image, but now we only remove the black noise, right? This is the close, or basically the closing operation that we studied previously, right? And here we see an example and an application of this. Now, what if we want to remove both the black noise and also the white noise of this image, which is commonly what we want to do given a very noisy image? So to do this, we just need to apply a opening and then a closing. So for instance, if the open image is this one, we just apply a close operation. Let's just closed after open, closed after open. So here we just apply a ImClose function, but now instead of the original image, we have this open image. So we apply a close operation to the open image with the same structuring element. So with this, we are applying first the opening operation and then we apply the closing operation. So let's plot this in a new figure, ImShow close after open. This is the final image. And let's title this both noises remove. So let's run. And as we can see, we have this final image with no noise. So let's open the original one and the final one. And as we can see, okay, we have here no black and no white noise. We have removed all of them, okay, with this same structuring element with radius 1. Now, if your noise, instead of being just lines that are very, very teeny and very, very small, you had very big circle noises, then you should have incremented the radius of this structuring element, right? But for this example, this structuring element with radius 1 is enough, right? So with this, we see an application of the noise elimination in a gray level image. With this, we finish this lesson. We remind the student that he can download all the code used as well as the image on the downloadable documents of this lesson.